Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Chapter 1, How to hold the yarn and the crochet hook. When you first start crochet, it is important that you know how to hold the yarn and the hook correctly. Let's start off with the crochet hook. Holding the hook. When you first start crocheting, the hook will be difficult to hold. An easy way to hold the hook is to imagine as if you're holding a spoon. This is the spoon grip. There are many other ways to hold the hook, but we will be using only the spoon grip for these tutorials. The spoon grip is one of my favorite grips for crochet. The spoon grip can be great for amigurumis, coasters, etc. In my personal opinion, I would suggest that beginners start using this type of grip. The downside is that you can't crochet fast with this grip and might need some practice. Next off, we will learn how to hold the yarn. Holding the yarn might need a bit of practice, and the most important part of it is to control the tension. The tension of the yarn impacts on the stitches. The more tight you hold the yarn, the more compressed the stitches are, and the more difficult it is to work more stitches into it. The more loose you hold the yarn, the stitches become loose and might leave a big hole when you work more stitches. I would suggest holding the yarn at a medium tension, not too tight and not too loose. Try to hold the yarn at a relaxed position as well. It might take a bit of practice and time, but eventually you will get the proper hang of it. Here is how I hold the yarn. With the hand that you are not using to crochet, for me it is my left hand, wrap the yarn around your hand and hold the yarn with at least 2 fingers. Then to get a proper grip, hold the stitches or chains with your middle finger and thumb, like this. Let me crochet a few chain stitches to show you what I mean. The index finger is the most important, as it controls the tension of the yarn. Most crocheters have different ways of holding the yarn, but try to hold it in a way that is comfortable for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider subscribing to my channel and please like this video at the end of this tutorial. If you are ready for Chapter 2, click here now or the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and get creative.